My name is Willem, head chef and owner of restaurant Willem Hiele in Ostend, Belgium. This week, I have come to Azerbaijan to explore the culinary landscape here, to visit several regions in the hope of learning how its people and landscape shape food traditions and uphold harmony with the environment, something which is fundamental to my cooking. I'm so delighted to be here in Baku. My passion is not only cooking, but it's also traveling and learning about the people, about their traditions. I'm sure there's going to be some things that are going to inspire my kitchen at home. First, I come to the old city of Baku, which is actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site. I met up with local guide Camila to show me what this area has to offer. All right, hey.
Hi, I'm Camila. Welcome to Baku. Here we are by the double gate, the main entrance of the city, which was built here for the trades and for the caravans. We are on the main Silk Road, which crosses the Caucasus. And just imagine, 100 of years ago approximately, at the same spot, there were no shops, no cars, but only the camels and only the animals passing through. This is Kütap, the typical street food of Azerbaijan.
Oh, they make it a mise en place.
Yep. We have here a mix of herbs, cilantro, dill, maybe spinach as well,
Yeah.
a little bit salt, and sometimes we use sumac, a sort of spice we have in our forests.
If you know, with flour, with some salt, with water, how many recipes you can make. It's crazy, yeah?
And how different it can be depending on the region.
Show me. One more time, sorry. It's not easy, eh? Thank you.
So,
It's salty, it's fresh, it's acid. It's sweet, it's sour, it's everything.
it's everything in together.
Walking through these streets, I can feel centuries of history blending with modern life. The next stop had to be a traditional Azerbaijani market. Yashil Bazaar is one of Baku's most iconic markets, and here I met up with Chef Timur from Baku to explore the local produce and seasonal ingredients here in the city. Hey Timur!
Hello. Welcome to Baku.
Thank you so much.
We are now in Green Bazaar.
Yeah?
I want to invite you in our home,
Wow.
but we need to buy some special ingredients to preparing food.
Wow. And you're gonna show me the best places around?
Of course.
Okay,
let's go. We are preparing a sturgeon.
Okay.
A dish is named sirdak with herbs,
Yeah?
with the plums and tomato
Yeah.
on charcoal.
Wow, beautiful. Wow, that's really good, eh?
This is peach,
Oh.
and inside have walnuts.
Can I make necklace? Like this?
Yes. Today I wait you in my home and we're preparing some interesting food with you.
Thank you so much. See
Okay,
you tonight.
See you.
Timur invited me to his place to cook with his family and Chef Gökhan from Culinary, a Pan-Asian restaurant in Baku.
Hello.
Hello to our home. This one, a name of Sinjan. We are preparing with lamb. We are serving with plov, saffron plov, and we make it a gazmat. We are putting a pomegranate juice, little bit,
This is red onion.
red onion, and lamb.
It's nice to see how the whole family is involved in your way of cooking. It's really nice to see that.
All weekend, Saturday, Sunday, where every time we are make it with family cooking and coming our friends,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4 family, and sitting, enjoying.
Having the good life, share with each other.
So what I'm gonna do is like a Asian twist with the local ingredients. So it's gonna be two type of sauces with this one. One is like I'm using the sambal, mix it with the chilies, like local chilies. And also second one is gonna be the coriander sauce. So we have the coriander, we have garlic, we have like a lime juice a little bit. But I have like just local fish, you know.
And you cut it, you slice it up.
Yeah, exactly.
What we sometimes do in the restaurant is that when we have the fillets like this, we have a local seaweed, and then when we grill it, it gets really super crispy. All right, fish is ready, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
No?
Finishing the day by sharing this meal together. What a warm welcome from Timur and his family.
So this is the
Hola.
suda fish with the two sauces.
Bravo, bravo.
So when you eat it, you mix it up.
It's beautiful. We can connect from all over the world together.
Yeah.
We actually speak one language, and it's the language of passion, of food, and bringing people together on the table.
Exactly.
Thank you, chef.
No problem.
Thank you,
No
guys.
problem. Enjoy.
Wow, today was my first day in Baku. The first time I met Azerbaijan people, and I'm very much impressed about their hospitality. They learned me all about their traditions, and it's so interesting how the simplicity of their way of cooking really affects me, really inspires me, really makes me even emotional. It was an amazing night already, so I hope it's not going to be too late, because tomorrow it's going to be another big day. Off I go. Good night.
Today it's day 2 of my trip, and I've traveled 3 hours out of the city to a place called Basgal.
Very famous for its craftsmanship. I'm really glad to discover what's all going on here and to meet the people and their traditions. Salam.
Salam aleyküm, salam, hoş geldiniz.
Salam aleyküm.
Hoş geldiniz. Halvadı, itbirni gülədi, itbirni doşabədi, ballıbadıdı, sumaqdı, balabıdı, itbirinin özüdü.
This is sumac?
Sumaq ben
No?
meşədən meşədən yığıb gətiririk.
I see he also got some honey.
Bal var ha, bu bal budur. De bal. Yaxşı baldır, yaxşı.
Are you the first generation doing this, or is it coming from your mother, your parents, your family?
Bu babam. 150'də bu sənət bizdədir, 150'dir.
It's very nice to see how you produce your own things. These are things that we used to do in our heritage as well. I'm happy that it's written down so I can learn about your culture and maybe introduce it to mine. And I thank you, please, for sharing these wonderful traditions, and thanks for the inspiration. Please keep the traditions alive,
Sağ ol.
because it's beautiful.
Hakan gəlsiz, qulluğunuzda hazıram.
Sağ ol. Wow, that's really fascinating. Where is the silk coming from? Is this also made in the region?
İpəyin hazırlanması barama saxlayırlar, baramadan alınır. Barama toxuyur özü. Ondan biz ipək alır. Həmin o ipəkdən də kəl yağı toxunur. Başqa ipək materiallar toxunur. Bizim regionda, Azərbaycanda baramaçılıqdan istifadə olunur.
Okay.
Və bu kəl yağlar ondan toxunur.
Can I maybe try it? That's a good one. Good? Nice. Butcher. For me, it was a very inspiring morning. We learned everything about the kalagai technique. They let me do it. They even let me try it. I just ruined it a little bit, but that's craftsmanship. You have to learn and learn about it. So it's really nice to explore these traditions.
After a few hours exploring Basgal, the locals took me to a very special hideaway in the mountains. This is Runaway House, a relaxing place where time doesn't matter. Being here was so nice. It gave me a chance to slow down, reflect, and simply enjoy being present in the beautiful countryside of Azerbaijan. We're still in the mountains tonight, and I'm a guest of Chef Etiram at his house in the village of Kalajik. Etiram is the owner of Baku Restaurant, Boulevard, 1909.
Willem, welcome to Azerbaijan.
Thank you so much. I'm very glad to be here. It has been a fantastic journey already. I'm happy to learn more about your cuisine, about your techniques, about your traditions. And I already have a few questions because I saw some lamb.
O yeməklərdən biri bizim deməli piti, şəkil pitisidir. Hansı ki mən indi göstərəcəm ki, onu necə hazırlanılır, onun but hissəsindən və quyruqdan da istifadə olunur.
Chestnuts?
Yes, cheers. Budur şeydir.
What is this, plum?
Yes.
It's a traditional recipe or it's
Yes,
your
tradition.
recipe?
No, traditional.
And no spices, no salt?
No. Yəni Azərbaycanda belə deyim sizə, Willem müəllim. Bu bizim quzulara, qoyun ətinə duzdan, istiotdan başqa şey vurmaq günahdır.
It's about the pure flavor of the lamb.
Yes.
It's good for cholesterol, eh?
No. Cholesterol is zero.
Wow, this kitchen I like a lot.
Bu rəhmətlik babamın mənim şeyidir. Ömür yanır və burada 6 saat belə pişir.
That's really cool, eh? That's really cool. Oh, it's amazing.
Taste please.
The saffron.
Yes.
You really taste the quality of the meat and the fat, and I really like it that you just add a few things and nothing more, and the whole technique of the slow cooking and beautiful dish. Thank you so much.
What a wonderful evening. There's something special about preparing a meal in a place like this, surrounded by people, stories and tradition. Etiram not only showed me his passion for cooking, but also his home, his family and his life here. I'm so grateful to be part of that and meet someone like Etiram, who opens their door to new people. My final day takes me to the south of Azerbaijan. On our way, we first stopped off at a traditional bakery in Lankaran.
So we are here at the Tandir house. So a lady is going to show me how to bake some bread and explain me how they make the flatbreads. Can I come in? I'm Willem, pleased to meet you. I started as a pastry chef when I was 16 years old, and that was the first job I did in my life. So maybe you can show me around.
Biz tendiri hazırlıyoruz palçıqdan, bir də arnaporni kərpiçdən. Onu düzəldəndən sonra biz onu yandırırıq, yandırandan sonra onu qaydaya qoyuruq. Qaydasına qoyandan sonra biz çörəyi götürürük, xəmir yoğururuq, biz onu kündələyirik, kündələyəndən sonra biz onu təndirə yapırıq.
Let's make bread. Oh wow.
Good. Super.
It's good.
For my final stop of the tour, I made the journey over to Citrus Valley Farm to learn about the fruit growing that takes place here. The perfect sweet ending to the week.
Hello.
Hello, welcome.
Pleased to meet you. Thank you for having us here on the Citrus Valley Farm.
Belki de buraya koyayım.
We are friends already.
Yes.
That's good.
Bizde limon, portakal, mandarin, kumkuat, halabong biri de buradadır. Bu yetişir ama ki havalar soyudukça o rengi saralacak. Şimdi tadı var içinde ama ki bir ay vaktan sonra tam saralacak.
Oh my God. This is the pure nectar you smell. Like, oh, that's amazing. This is life. And I already think to do a lot with this kind of things.
Raftara introduced me to head chef Nusrat, who let me help him to create 2 variations of traditional plov dish.
Salam şef.
Salam.
Biz bugün boranı plovu südlə bişirəcəyik, süd və şəkərlə istifadə edəcəyik. Bizdə boranı plov hisə verilmiş və yaxud da duza qoyulmuş balıqla yeyilir və südlə, şəkərlə hazırlanır.
You put the rice on one place. Is that
got at a certain meaning. Is that for the crusty part on the end?
Səbəb odur ki, plov eyni yerdən töküləndə o düyü aralarında şey salır, par onların arasından rahat keçir və o bişir parda. Bu hazırdır. Bunu qoyuruq dəmə. Gedəcək dəmə. Şah plovu lavaşdan istifadə edəcəyik. Abrikot,
Raisins, salt.
Şafran.
Good.
Əvvəlcədən dəmlədiyimiz zəfərandır.
Yeah.
Zəfəranı biz daha çox soyuq suda dəmləyirik ki, zəfəran acılığını verməsin. Lavaş. Lavaşın iki yüzü var. Biri qızarmış yüzüdür, biri az qızarmış yüzüdür. Biz yağlayıb lavaşları düzəcəyik bura. Az qızarmış üzü qazana qalmalıdır.
Okay. Good.
Məsələn, şefə sual vermək istəyirəm ki, şef, bunu sizdə neçə nəfər yeyər?
Me and you?
Ha? Two person.
No.
Maksimum 8.
My, it's a lot of food, eh?
Yeməyimiz hazırdır. Növbəli olaraq birinci başlayırıq boranı plovdan. Boranı plov ətri ilə, südlə bir yerdə bişib. Onu bir qoxusuna baxın.
Smells delicious, eh?
Bu balığın sümükləri olur. Yeyəndə ehtiyatlı olmaq lazımdır.
That's the best smoked fish, straight from the smoker. Bam. I have the silkiness of the rice. That's so sweet, so soft. The pumpkin, who makes like the balance between the saltiness and the smokiness of the fish. That's delicious. I love it.
Bon appetit. Bunun üzə bu
Wow.
xırt-xırt səsi üzə iştahanı açır, iştahanı qabardır.
Wow. What I have here is the almost burnt of the dough, the Maillard reaction, the sweetness of the raisins here. It's so much in balance, the sweetness between the saltiness. It's soul food. It goes straight through the heart. I ate the plov now already in 3 different ways. I ate it with lamb, I ate it now with fish. 3 times it's totally different and it's very interesting. Thank you, chef. Thank you so much. Azerbaijan, I cannot describe in a few sentences what I discovered here. For me, it's hospitality, the power of the people that connect with each other in a very special way. They live with the nature, with the produce that they have around them. They have a lot of authenticity around it. That's how we used to live actually maybe 30 years ago. The tradition of their foods and their craftsmanship is something that the world has to discover. Local produce in the season, the way it should be, it's all delicious and it's all made with love. I'm so glad that I came here and I'm gonna take a lot of things back home. Azerbaijan, thank you for hosting me, and I will never forget this. It's a country truly in my heart, and I'm very grateful that I could visit your places here. Thank you so much.